Hello everyone. As you all know that last year Maharashtra State Board has revised its syllabus for Standard 10. After that, there were a lot of discussions and debate regarding board paper pattern. Students were also confused regarding board paper pattern. This video is going to help you understand what is the board paper pattern for Standard 10. In this video, we are going to discuss about the board paper pattern for Science and Technology Part 1. So, there would be separate question papers for Part 1 and Part 2 of 40 marks each. The duration of the examination would be 2 hours. Now, let us discuss the type of questions that would be asked in the exam. Question number 1A would have 5 questions of 1 mark each. It would contain objectives. So question number 1A would be for 5 marks. Question number 1B would contain 5 questions of 1 mark each. These multiple choice questions would be based on practicals as well as projects. So question number 1B is also for 5 marks. Question number 2 would include 7 questions of 2 marks each, out of which you are supposed to solve any 5 questions. So question number 2 is for 10 marks. Question number 3 would include 7 questions of 3 marks each, out of which you are supposed to solve any 5 questions. So question number 3 is for 15 marks. Question number 4 would include 2 questions of 5 marks each, out of which you are supposed to solve any 1 question. So question number 4 is for 5 marks. Now let us discuss each question in more detail. Question number 1A would include the following type of questions, that is, fill in the blanks, find the odd one out, find out the correlation, make pairs, right or wrong, choose the correct option, answer in 1 sentence, find out the difference between 2 components, question based on picture or figure, and give name or molecular formula. Now, all these type of questions are covered in our target notes. Now, let us discuss new type of questions in more detail. Find out the difference between 2 components. So here, you would be provided with 2 components and you are supposed to write the difference between 2 components in single sentence. Then question based on figure. Here you would be provided with a figure and you are supposed to answer the question based on it. Then give names or molecular formula. So in our target notes we have included ample of examples. Then question number 1B. So question number 1B will include multiple choice questions based on the practicals and projects. So in our target notes, we have covered practical based as well as project based MCQs. The next question is question number 2. The question number 2 includes 7 questions of 2 marks each, out of which you are supposed to solve any 5. This will include the type of questions like solve numerical problems, write a note, clarify the difference, give scientific reasons, write properties, characteristics, advantages or effects, complete the table or flowchart, write chemical reactions along with their equations, give examples. So all this type of questions along with new type of questions we have covered in our target notes. Now let us discuss new type of questions in more detail. Complete the flow chart. So here you would be provided with a flow chart with blank spaces. So you are supposed to complete the blanks with appropriate answers. Write chemical reactions. So here, for example, you are provided with word equations and you are supposed to write a balanced chemical equations. Give examples. So here you are supposed to give examples of particular concept. For example, here you are supposed to write examples of chemical oxidants, Next is question number 3. Question number 3 includes 7 questions of 3 marks each, out of which you are supposed to solve any 5. It would include questions like give explanation using given statement. For example, here you would be provided with a statement and you are supposed to explain it, solve numerical problems, complete the diagram and explain, answer question based on the figure, write answers with explanation, explain with the help of examples, label the diagram and explain, complete the table or flowchart, write laws, theory and explain, complete the paragraph. So all these type of questions are covered in our target notes along with the new questions. Now label the diagram and explain. In this type of question, you would be provided with a unlabeled diagram. Then you are supposed to label it and explain it. Complete the flow chart. So here you would be provided with a flow chart with blank spaces. So you are supposed to complete the blanks with appropriate answers. Write laws and explain. So here you would be asked a particular law and you are supposed to explain it. Then complete the paragraph. In this, you would be provided with a paragraph with blank spaces. So you are supposed to complete the paragraph with appropriate answers. Now next is question number 4. Question number 4 includes 2 questions of 5 marks each. You are supposed to solve any one question. This will include make a concept diagram and give explanation, complete the table or chart and give explanation, answer the question in detail, correct the given diagram and explain, draw a figure and give explanation, read the given paragraph and answer question based on it. Answer question based on the figure. So all these type of questions are covered along with the new questions. Now let us discuss each new question in more detail. Correct the diagram and explain. So here you would be provided with an incorrect diagram. Then you are supposed to correct it and explain it. Then draw a diagram and explain. So here you would be asked to draw a diagram and you are supposed to explain the concept. Question based on paragraph. Here you would be provided with a particular paragraph and you are supposed to answer the question based on it. Question based on the diagram. So here you would be provided with a diagram and you are supposed to answer the questions based on it. So all these type of questions we have covered in our target notes. To build powerful concept with target, we have included certain features in our book. For example, read between the lines. Read between the lines include more detailed explanation of a particular concept so that student can understand it in more proper way. Then we have divided numericals on the basis of their types. We have also provided illustrative examples. These illustrative examples are going to help student to understand and analyze a problem and how to solve it. So these illustrative examples are going to help student to trigger their analytical thinking. Now, as per new board paper pattern, you would be asked questions on the activities also. So we have provided activities in the form of QR codes. So when you scan this QR code with the help of your smartphone, you would be directed towards a link which would include a video explaining the activity. Now to test your preparation, we have also provided with a model question paper. This model question paper is based on the board paper pattern. So it would include question 1A, question 1B, question 2, question 3 and question 4 as per the board paper pattern. Along with the model question paper, we have also included the board question paper for March 2019. So this was all about the board paper pattern for Science and Technology Part 1. Thank you.